Now I would like to speak about the len function. It means len, it means length, okay? Length of the string. So if I have something like, for example, first name variable, we can store there whatever you want, but I would like to store there a string. It means text. So for example, David, okay? So the string, the text David is stored in the variable of first name, and I will print it, print first name. There is no surprise. I will run it, and you can see David is here, okay? Because David is in the first name, and we print first name. Okay, that's normal. But we can use length, okay? So it means if you will write something like this, and you will use the function len, it means length. So we don't want to print first name. We want to print length of the first name, okay? So I will run it, and you can see there is 5. Why is it is 5? Because David has 5 letters, okay? D-A-V-I-D, okay? So 5 letters, number 5. So if you put here, for example, space and run it again, you can see 6, because a space is a part of the length of the string, okay? So if I will write my second name as well, so you can see there is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the space, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so this is the length of the string.